Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the low beam bulb on your 2007 Hyundai Elantra. They run H11B light bulb. So we're going to be installing these Auxito LED bulbs. These are an upgrade. In the box you'll find some nice white gloves, little instruction manual, and then these are the bulbs. So you can see here that they do not have a tether on them. And you have to watch out because there is options where you can buy these H11Bs but with a tether on them. You don't want the one with the tether. So this is the bulb that you want. This is a nice bulb, nice light bulb. It's full aluminum construction. Actually, I believe it has a cooling fan built on the inside of it, but double LED projection. We've been using Auxito for a long time now. So to change these, you're going to want the outside bulb, or I guess the center large one that's here, okay? The inside one is going to be your high beam. This one's the one that you want. So turn this cap counterclockwise, and if you haven't had these off in a long time, the rubber seal may make it difficult to turn this off. But we're just going to set that there, and you can see here we've got some wiring that's right here. So just turn this counterclockwise, unlocks. Pretty simple. And then you just take the new one. You line the tabs up so that it drops into the headlight lens assembly flush, and then turn it clockwise to lock it into the connector. Okay, I just use some pliers and that's locked into place. You can see that the light bulb is like straight up and down. So now all we got to do is turn the lights on and we'll compare them from halogen bulb to LED upgrade. All right, so this cap, there's teeth on it that you need to line up. So you just kind of spin this thing around until it drops in and then turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Now, the rubber may make it difficult, so I do use this silicone spray lubricant made by CleanFlow. It's called Clean Slip. And I just spray that on the rubber to make the rubber slippery. And it's totally safe for rubber. It's a silicone-based spray. Just makes that thing go right in. Well, I guess I need to turn. How about now? All right, so these headlights are very hazed over. This is a high mileage car. But if they were really clear, you'd get a lot of light projection. Even the difference between the two is night and day. I mean, you got a 65K brightness, so it's a very white, bright light. And you'll be able to see really far and also wider into the ditch. So it's perfect for nighttime driving. I mean, obviously you're gonna be probably running your high beams if you're on the highway, but for the most part, it's a pretty sweet, serious upgrade. So if you want some of these for your Elantra, check out the link in the description. But Auxito's got you covered for all kinds of light bulbs. It doesn't matter if they're headlights, turn signals, marker lights, brake lights, license plate lights. They got all the lights. And we've been using them for a long time. They're a really good light company, and we trust them. We've been using them forever. But yeah, as you can see, pretty good upgrade. And yeah, that's how to remove and replace the low beam bulb on your 2007 Hyundai Elantra. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments and give the video a thumbs up if it helped. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.